What's up, y'all? I'm Brooke and welcome back to the BG Bakers. In today's video, I will be making pumpkin chocolate bars. I've never made them before, so this video will be a fab or fail, so make sure to comment down below what you think it is. So, let's get on to the video. These are the ingredients for the chocolate pumpkin bars. Half a cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of pumpkin, 1/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa, and half teaspoon of pumpkin pie spices. These are the ingredients for the chocolate frosting. 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa, 3 tablespoons of butter, softened, 3 tablespoons of milk, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. First, mix your butter and sugar in an electric mixer. Then add your eggs and vanilla and blend. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Gradually add your flour mixture to your butter mixture. Take 1 1/4 cups of the batter and put it in a separate bowl. Now add your cocoa powder. Blend your pumpkin and pumpkin pie spice into the leftover batter. Spread your chocolate batter into a 9-inch square pan. Spread your pumpkin batter over your chocolate batter. Bake it for 30 minutes or until the edges come off the pan. Now it's time to make the chocolate frosting. Stir together your powdered sugar and your cocoa powder. Beat your butter in a bowl until it's creamy. Gradually add your sugar mixture alternately with your milk until you have it at the consistency that you like it at, and then pour in your vanilla. Let your chocolate pumpkin bars cool completely before frosting them. Put a thin layer of frosting on before you put the thick layer on so that it does not tear up the bars. Enjoy! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think that the bars were a fab, so comment down below what you think. And before you leave, make sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking the big red button down below. Hit the notification bell in this corner so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, and finally comment down below what you think we should bake next. Bye!